Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a gaming chair. And for the one that we got right here is from a brand called Best Office. So for this chair, I actually did like a whole unboxing video and setup video to show you guys how to set it up. But for this video, I want to kind of explain to you guys what is actually on here when you guys do use it. So for the one that we got right here is a white color, but they do have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But if you guys notice the way how they designed this chair actually looks pretty nice. They do give you guys a pillow. They give you guys a lumbar support pillow. And then throughout the product, they do have a very nice cushion to give you guys that comfort and support. Even for this bottom part here and the armrest. And if you guys notice for the side right here and also for the bottom part, they actually have this wing design that's on here that actually looks pretty nice. And then obviously for the bottom part, we do have the wheels, so that way you can roll around really easily. But here is basically what the product looks like from the front. Here is the side, here is the back, and here is this side. Now I'm actually sit down on here to show you guys what the product looks like and how well it works. So once you guys do sit down on here, it actually feels pretty comfortable. You do get that cushion throughout the product, both for the bottom, your back, and your neck as well. If you guys notice when I'm moving the chair, you do have the option to rock on here, which is pretty nice. So if you guys go all the way down, this is basically how far it can go. But let's bring it back up. This is how far it can go. And for the rocking option, you do have the option to actually lock it in place. So that way you guys can't rock anymore. So the way how you guys do that is pushing this part right here in. And once you guys do that, you guys can't rock back anymore. And then for the lever part right here, if you guys do pull it up, that basically allows you guys to bring it up. But if you guys pull it again, that will allow you guys to bring it down. And at the very bottom of the chair, they do have like this resistant option for you guys to change the resistant. So whether if you guys want less or more resistant for the gas lift option, you do have the option to adjust it. So that is basically how you guys do use a chair. In terms of the setup process, I do want to mention how it does take a little bit of while, because the way how they design it, it does require a lot more steps that I feel like it shouldn't need. So if you guys are curious about what I'm talking about, feel free to check out the other video for the unboxing video. But basically, if you guys can see from that video on the bottom part, the way how you guys set the legs, everything comes separately, so you guys need to actually screw all of them together. Whereas for some of the other office chair or gaming chair out there in the market today, you don't have to do that because it's like one whole set where you guys don't need to screw on the legs. But for this one, you guys do. So for this chair, if they were able to actually have a one whole set where it's preset already, where you guys don't need to screw on all the legs, that would have been so much easier for you to set up. But in terms of the whole setup process and everything for the chair, it took me roughly around like 30 minutes to 40 minutes to actually fully set it up. Mainly what took me the longest is the bottom part of the legs and also the screws on the side. But definitely for the overall design of the chair is actually very nice. I do have to say that it is a pretty decent chair for the price it's paying for. So after using the chair for like a few days or a few weeks, would I say that it's still worth it or not? So for this chair, I still have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys don't mind everything that I mentioned. In terms of the fact that how you guys can set up all the legs separately one by one, and also the fact that how the screw does take some time for you guys to set it all up. If you guys don't mind all of that, then I do have to say that it's still pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.